Hey folks, it's warm, it's humid, not exactly November-like. These are the currents, still 90 plus along and west of I-69C, Edinburgh, McAllen, and Rio Grande City. 80s every place else, including Port Isabel at 86 and Brownsville at 87 right now. Dew points are actually down a little bit from where they were a couple of days ago, with most of them in the 60s right now, even drier than that in the west. So we'll put your average on the muggy meter. Still in the muggy category, but it's not summer-like humidity by any means. It's down pretty good notch. Typically in the summer, we're up here in the mid-70s. So you can feel the difference if you're out and about this evening. The air just a little more comfortable than what it is in the summertime. Low temperatures tonight should bottom out around 70, give or take a couple, and then about 75 at the beach under mainly clear skies. And tomorrow we bounce back up into the 90s again. A very warm day across the area, especially in the western part of the valley. And then cooler at the beach, 89 or 84 on the island, 89 in Brownsville. But as we look at the next 3 days, we go from 90 tomorrow, 86 on Wednesday, and then I get out of the way and reveal Thursday 68 degrees. Pretty good cool down now. This front looks like it means business. Now, the models at odds about when it gets here. The 86 on Wednesday might be in jeopardy as well. If front gets here early enough, we'll get nowhere near that. Now, the satellite today shows nothing overhead. Skies are blue. But let's watch Future Track. And this model, high-resolution Future Track, suggests that tomorrow's mostly sunny, but it brings the front in by midday or so on Wednesday. You notice here comes kind of a line of showers actually racing way out ahead of it. Front sneaks in, brings clouds. So we're officially going for about midday or so with this frontal passage. So we warm up ahead of it, clouds start to thicken up, front goes through, could trigger a few showers. I think they're pretty isolated, but it could trigger a few showers, and then temperatures will take a downturn for the second half of Wednesday and for Thursday, certainly as the cool air builds in. Our rain chances right now only about 10%. I might bump that up to 20, but I think for the most part we're looking at a relatively dry but cloudy forecast. Once front comes in, clouds are going to thicken up and they're not going to break for a while. I don't think you'll see sun for probably a couple of days once that front comes in, but the showers will be probably pretty spotty. Rest of Texas, the front's way to the north right now. Temperature's certainly cooler in the panhandle, but the front pushes southward. By tomorrow afternoon, it's in the middle of Texas. By Wednesday afternoon, it moves through here. You do see some green show up, so again, spotty showers and a turn toward much cooler weather for a couple of days. We'll bounce back pretty quickly once we get to the weekend, but again, clouds may stick around. If you're traveling tomorrow, look how chilly it is up in North Texas and the Panhandle. 54 in Dallas, 43 in Amarillo, and it doesn't change in Amarillo. It's cold all day. Dallas is in the 50s, while South Texas is in the 80s. So for tonight, about 71. Clear skies, very mild southeast winds. Then tomorrow we're back up to 90. Plenty of sunshine, a very warm afternoon. Southeast winds all day tomorrow at about 6 to 12 miles per hour. And again, temperatures in the western part of the valley could be considerably warmer than that. Wednesday's high of 86. That could put a question mark behind that. If the front speeds up a little bit, it won't get that warm. And then 68 on Thursday. That's it. We bounce back to 77 on Friday. We keep clouds around over the weekend, and isolated showers are a possibility. I think the best chance, though, comes Wednesday and Thursday, and even that, not a real big threat. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.